Hello, grade 2 learners! Welcome to Maestro Mo YouTube channel. This is Maestro Mo, your online teacher. Please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more educational videos. Happy learning! Learning objective: to illustrate and write multiplication as repeated addition using groups of equal quantities. Let us read the word problem. Nanita gave her friend Louise 3 packs of dried fish. Each pack has 2 dried fish. How many dried fish did Louise receive in all? How many packs of dried fish are there? You're right. There are 3 packs of dried fish. How many dried fish are in each pack? Correct. There are 2 dried fish in each pack. How many equal packs of 2 dried fish are there? You're right. There are 3 equal packs of 2 dried fish, or 3 twos. What does 3 equal packs of 2 or 3 twos mean? It means there are 3 packs and each pack contains exactly 2 items. In this case, 2 dried fish per pack. The illustration means we have 3 equal groups of 2. How do we get the total number of dried fish? We're going to find the sum of 2 plus 2 plus 2. The answer is 6. Two plus 2 plus 2 equals 6 shows repeated addition. We can use repeated addition to determine the total number of dried fish. What do we mean by repeated addition? Repeated addition is the process of adding the same number repeatedly or multiple times. We can also express the addition sentence using another operation called multiplication. Multiplication is an operation we use to get a total when there is equal number of objects in each group. We can use multiplication to find the total more quickly. We multiply 3, the number of groups, by 2, the number of objects in each group, like this. 3 times 2 equals 6. This is a multiplication sentence and is read as 3 times 2 equals 6. In this illustration, the repeated addition is 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. The multiplication sentence is 3 times 2 equals 6. In our multiplication sentence, the number 3 is called multiplier. The number 2 is called multiplicand. The number 6 is called the product. The letter X is a multiplication symbol. It is read as times. The multiplier tells us how many times we multiply the other number. The multiplicand is the number that is being multiplied. The product is the answer or the result of multiplication. Let's have more examples. We have 3 groups of 3 stars. The repeated addition is 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. The multiplication sentence is 3 times 3 equals 9. We have 2 groups of 4 triangles. The repeated addition is 4 plus 4 equals 8. The multiplication sentence is 2 times 4 equals 8. Another example. We have 3 groups of 6 circles. What is the repeated addition? You're right if your answer is like this. 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18. What about the multiplication sentence? If your answer is like this, 3 times 6 equals 18, very good. Another example. 4 groups of 6 hearts. What is our repeated addition? If your answer is this, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 24, you're right. What about the multiplication sentence? The multiplication sentence is 4 times 6 equals 24. Very good. Now, it's time for you to answer the evaluation. Write the correct number sentences in each blank. The first number has been done for you. I know you have learned a lot in our lesson. Don't forget to like and share our videos. Again, this is Maestro Mo, your online teacher.